welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. And if you are new, welcome. And if you have been here before, hey girl, hey. Now, today what I want to do is go through some things that I have bought online. Again, we're kind of getting into these videos now. I know some people enjoy them, some people are not bothered. That's fine. Makeup content will be coming very soon. P.S. I'm wearing a wing today. Are you into it? What do you think to my wingage? And look, I have short nails. I did these yesterday and I'm doing short nails now because honestly, when I've been ill for the last week and a bit now, really ill. I've had a coronavirus test and it came back negative. So thank goodness. Honestly, I was so anxious and so scared waiting for my test result. Oh God, it was horrible because it took a couple of days as well because I know there's a lot of shortage in the world at the minute and people are definitely struggling to get a test. I was lucky enough to get a test. It just took a few days for me to kind of book it on the app or on the website thing. And it took a few days for the results to come through. I was thinking that when I'm going back to work, I am not chancing it at all. And I mean, I already wear crazy PPE anyway. But I thought I'm not going to chance it at all. And I mean, these are still cute, right? These are cute. I think they're quite cute. They're like pretty healthy. So yeah, I was thinking if I do make them short, then, because look at it from behind. This is like the shortest they've ever been. It's crazy. I was thinking there's no chance that I'm going to get anything stuck or I'm going to get ill again or even risk getting corona right now because my nails are short. Anyway, whatever. Oh my God, I've been talking about my nails for like 2 minutes. Let's get into this video. So if you've been on my channel before, you'll already know this. This is the Nikki Tutorials X Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This was such a good buy. It was really affordable as well. And I mean, girl, it's cute. I'll link a video to my review of this palette, swatches, doing an eye look with it below so you can watch this. I will link it above. But this is so much fun. I love this. Hey guys, it's me, Nikki. Was this? This is my Spyro Nintendo Wii Controller. Now, I thought this was so cute. I like Spyro. I'm obsessed with Switch. The game I play the most is Animal Crossing. I'm just obsessed with it, like crazy obsessed with it. At this point, I think I'm on like 500 hours on Animal Crossing. Shout out below if you want to see my Animal Crossing island. I might do a tour of it so far. But I got this because it's really cute. And when I'm in bed, I wanted to play it on something more substantial than just the little Joycons. So I got this. Next on the list is a new perfume. And let me show you this. This is Live Irresistible. Let me check this. This is Live Irresistible or Irresistible. And this is the Blossom Crush version. And this is by Givenchy. And it's really a pretty fragrance. So that's one now. My boyfriend got me this as a treat, which is really, really sweet of him. The lid's over there, I don't know, whatever. It's really, really sweet of him to get this. It's really sweet. So how can I describe this? I'm so sorry, I'm coughing. I'm trying and edit out as much as I can. I would describe this as a sweeter version of La Vie est Belle with... I'm going to put the actual notes on the screen here somewhere because this smells bomb. Like this is, I'm going to put more on. I love it. Oops, I probably should have covered my bracelets. Oh well. Love it. And I know I should be squishing it, but I did. Next thing I got, oh girl. I treated myself to some new sunglasses. I popped myself online to Gucci and I got myself these. What do we think? Are they a mood? They're really nice kind of classic aviator styles. I like the bees at the front. This is what attracted me, the bees. And then just the little simple GG on the side. What do we think? Do we love it? Are we into it? So I got myself these as well. Super cute. This is called G7 Instant Coffee 3-in-1 Coffee Mix. Now, this is Vietnamese coffee, and I was doing some research online about different coffees and things like this, and this is supposed to have the coffee, the creamer, and it's supposed to be sweet all in one. You can also make iced coffee with this as well. And the reason why I bought this is I bought this to have at work because I don't know why, and this is probably a bit TMI, but the coffee at work, I don't know if I think it's the beans. I don't know what brand it is, so I can find out if you really want to know, but whatever brand it is, it makes me have how can I explain this? I drink it and then I get tummy ache probably 20 minutes after. And on a really bad day, it makes me, and they come like this, sachets. So I read online that this would be maybe a good idea, and that maybe, and I didn't read it. Oh my god, girl! I was thinking this would be a better idea, and I was reading online about the sweetest or the best tasting coffee, the best tasting instant coffee, and this came up as like number 2, number 3, number 1. I don't know what it was, but it was really expensive. So this I got off Amazon, and it was 20 packets for like £6 or £7, which I thought, well, if it's supposed to be good, it's supposed to be sweet. So I haven't tried this yet. Maybe we can try it together. I'll do like a tasting. Who knows? Either way, I got these. Oh, the next thing, girl, you know this is going to be another Nintendo situation. I got 2 new Joycons because my boyfriend broke my other Joycon. He ripped, let me show you. P.S. This is my Nintendo Switch case. Cute. He basically, on the pink one here, or the red one, he pulled off the cover of this a bit and it got a bit messed up. And so he surprised me with the purple and yellow Joy-Cons, because he broke them. I mean, I was fine, like I could have lived with it, but he surprised me with these 2, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It goes with the aesthetic of just everything so much more. So yeah, he got me these, which is cute. These come with like little wrist things, so the idea is it's supposed to stop you from dropping the controller. But yeah, also something else to do with glasses. Now I want your honest opinion on these, because I found it quite hard to get people's honest opinion. These are Gucci prescription frames, and I bought these secondhand off eBay. This is what I do with all my glasses. I buy designer frames online, on eBay, used to buy it on Depop, but I got banned from Depop. And I basically buy designer frames, and then I take them to go get a prescription put in them. Now, what do we think to these? Honestly, are they a vibe, or are they like ugly? My boyfriend says they're 70s or 80s glasses, like 80s geek, and I'm like, isn't that cute though? So let me know, what do you think? Are they cute? Should I get lenses in these, like my prescription lenses? What do you think? Let me know. Do you think it's worth it? Ooh, I actually like them. I think they look quite sexy. Give me your honest opinion, because I want to know whether I should get lenses in these. Let me know, bitch. This skincare product. Girl, I cannot tell you how much of a lifesaver this has been. This is the Salcura Bio Skin Derma Skin Nourishment Spray. Now, if anybody knows, you will know I really suffer with eczema, and this has been a lifesaver. I've been using the moisturizer with it as well. Let me get the moisturizer. So I've been using these two together, and they have really been saving my skin. I've been using this at night time as more of a treatment for my skin, as I feel like it puts like a layer on my face, and this provides a layer of protection for healing. I'm not sure. Either way, these both work. This is a spray, so the idea is you spray this onto your skin. You can spray it on top of makeup as well, which I think is really clever, and it takes away the itch. So this is what it says here. An effective daily spray therapy to soothe and hydrate dry and itchy atopic skin. Suitable for skin that may be prone to eczema, dermatitis and psoriasis. So these have been a lifesaver recently, and they really have honestly been saving my skin, because my regular remedies just weren't working, and I don't know if it was the weather change or something, but something was not working for me, and these changed the game. So thank you. I feel like you're going to see a pair of these in literally every single shopping haul video that I do. Wow! Remember these? I got the pink ones in my other video. Well, now and I said I wanted the red. Now I have the red. I have the red ones, and these are stunning. Honey, I'm not even joking. Look how pretty they are. This red is gorgeous, darling. Gorgeous, darling. So I got these. Fun! I want more colours of them as well. I'm like obsessed. Would this be a Lauren Loves shopping haul if she did not include a little bit of Wedgwood? Girl! Now I've decided after this, I need to chill out with the Wedgwood, because I need to calm down, and I need to stop buying it until we move, because girl, when I move in I'm gonna be like overwhelmed with Wedgwood. So I got this cute little egg. It has a, let me show you. It has a cherub on there, and I have one of my Van Cleef necklaces in here at the minute, but it has a little, it's cute. I think these are like meant to be Easter eggs. I just thought they were cute. I'd like to have a couple in different colours actually, to be honest. But that's really cute. Next thing I got is this pink dish with a horse on. I think it's Pegasus and 3 ladies. Really beautiful. I'll show you the 2 showstoppers that I got. This is number 1. Although the handle's broken on this one, which is a shame, but if you just have it this way, you would never know. And this is number 2. So these are a matching pair. I'm thinking of doing some kind of fake flower design with roses in the top. So it looks like there's like rose heads just spilling out, something like this maybe, I'm not sure. But these are really beautiful. This one is not broken, and these are, it says on the bottom, Museum 1906. Don't know if you can see. It says Museum 1906. Obviously it says Wedgwood, and then it has like a little, it looks like a 3 flower design. I don't know what this means. I've been trying to do research online. I can't really find much, so I'm waiting till we move, and then I can open my Wedgwood book up again and read that properly, and hopefully find out some more information. But I thought these were so beautiful. I really like them. Now I don't know if they were supposed to have lids at one point or something like this, but either way, I still enjoy them. Next thing that I got, oh my goodness, you guys are gonna lose it when you see this. Now, I got this really, really, really beautiful Chinese vase. Now when I say Chinese vase, it's huge. It's so big in fact that I can't even hold it. So I'm gonna have to, I'll insert a clip. That is amazing, and can you believe I got that for £10? I won that on eBay for £10. The guy, huge house, and he said he just wanted to get rid of it, and he was cleaning out his office, so I was like, okay. This is a Valentine's plate from 1999. It has a cherub on there. Really cute. Pretty plate. To be honest, there's not a lot of these Valentine's plates that I really like. A lot of the designs, some of them are really ugly and I'm like, ooh, I don't want that. But this is from 1984. And some of them, the designs, the depictions are just really ugly. So I think unless I see something now that's like, whoa, I love it, or like a really gorgeous one on pink or lilac or something, then I'm done with the Valentine's plates. Like, that's it. I think, is that everything? It's quite a lot really, isn't it? I don't know, I like to shop, what can I say? As always guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here and it means so much, so thank you so much. And take care of yourselves. Please give me a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'm going to leave some videos at the end, so if you want to click on one of them you can watch more of my content. And until next time guys, bye my loves.